about very interesting topic, and it is very important topic also. The topic name is urbanization. Urbanization very important for our society, and it is going on also in society. And first of all, I will tell you about some introduction, and after that I will tell you about which thing contribute in urbanization, and first after that I will tell you about advantage of the urbanization and disadvantage of the urbanization. First of all, let's start my topic. First of all, I will tell you about introduction. So first of all, what is the meaning of urbanization? Urbanization means that villagers migrate to the city, and why they migrate to the village, and because of the lack of money. And it is very important thing if because villagers haven't any particular job, and by the agriculture they are not capable to do more better our life, and it is very disadvantage of this. And now I am going to tell you about which thing contribute in a urbanization. First of all, I am going to tell you about industrial revolution, and after that I will tell you about globalization. By the industrial revolution, urbanization happened very fastly, and because of globalization also. And globalization is going on in the society, and globalization contribute very biggest part in the society for the urbanization. And now I am going to tell you about advantage of the urbanization. And first of all, what is the advantage of urbanization? That by the urbanization, human's life become very easy, and by this because of urbanization there is more facilities compared to the village, and there is no lack of hospitals and schools and no any other facilities. And biggest thing, electricity, because village in the most of the places in the village there is no electricity, and because of that humans have to face many problems, and children are not capable to do study, and because of, if we can suppose that if we haven't the electricity, so which type of problem we have to face. And my second topic is because health is wealth, and because health is very important for every person. But in the village there is no more facilities for the humans, and that is very biggest important advantage of the urbanization. Because of urbanization, hospital is increasing, school is increasing, and by this human life become very easy. And what is the disadvantage of the urbanization? And first of all, some places got more population compared to the another state, and that is very big problem. And by this human have to face many problems, and pollution is increasing very fastly and compared to the village. And there is also problem of space, and persons are cutting the trees, and the pollution increasing very fastly because of that. And we can see lots of disaster comes because of the pollution, and because our environment becomes very